Okay.
ठीक है फिर
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Walaikum salam. My name is Rafiullah Khan and my topic is asbestos. What is asbestos? A collection of naturally occurring mineral that has been used extensively as a fire-resistant building and insulating material.
Good.
Asbestos has excellent heat resistance characteristics and is chemically inert.
Good.
And excel. There are main three forms: blue, known as crucidolite; brown, known as amosite; white, known as chrysotile.
Very good.
Normally, asbestos used in roof as a cement,
Good.
in ceiling tiles, floor tiles, pipes, downpipe, decorative plaster, artics, insulation, pipe lagging, roof and gasket, furnaces, chemical pipe or boiler. Material that has asbestos characteristic into it is called asbestos containing material, ACM.
Very, very important topic, okay? Asbestos were basically beneficial like cement. But after long time, people was, especially in the Europe, people was getting cancer. When they got cancer and they investigated, they found they cancer due to the what? Due to the asbestos. Due to the long-term exposure, okay, chronic disease it is called. So now you have learned different types, and internationally you will see in the forward slide, it is now mostly banned by different countries because of their serious risk. But still it is present in the world, and up to controlling how much lives it will take. Anyone know about it? Asbestos, how many lives asbestos will take in the world? 10 million lives due to the asbestos cancer. So the material which have asbestos is called ACM. What do you mean by ACM? Asbestos containing material. So you have to protect yourself and your worker from the risk of asbestos. Yes, Mr. Rafiullah, you can continue.
Health risk associated with asbestos is obvious by inhaling and has potential source of disease. Asbestosis may be fatal. Lung cancer, usually fatal. Mesothelioma, always fatal. Diffuse pleural thickness, not fatal.
Okay. It can diffuse your airway due to the asbestos material.
Managing asbestos in building. The occupier and owner of building should be aware of the presence of asbestos and control of asbestos regulation 2012, asbestos management and asbestos register. The duties of managing the asbestos. Identifying the asbestos and its potential. Material exists in building have the potential to contain asbestos, but the presence of asbestos is not proven. They are assumed as ACM.
Good.
Making and keeping record up to date asbestos register. Assessing the risk of asbestos if anyone being exposed. Making and implementing the plan to manage the risk. Providing information to the contractor that the asbestos has been identified at the workplace.
Good.
Thank you.
Good, Rafiullah. So, have you got now the idea of asbestos after this slide?
Yes.
So you have to protect your worker and yourself from whenever asbestos is there. You use proper protective measures like RPE, respiratory protective equipment, good ventilation system. The most important is how to dispose of the asbestos. It should be by regular action. You will not throw asbestos over there because it can kill any other person, it can affect any other person. So there must be a proper procedure for the decomposing of asbestos material. Next please. Which topic?
Blood-borne virus.
Blood-borne viruses. Mr. Zulkarnain will present you. Good. Good presentation. You have made, I think. Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zulkarnain and the key topics are bloodborne virus, carbon monoxide, bacteria and virus. The bloodborne virus are transmitted through blood and other body fluids. Common UPVs are hepatitis A, hepatitis B and HIV. The people which can be affected are healthcare workers, doctors and nurses, especially firefighters and waste disposal.
Can you start
workers.
from the start, please, again? Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Your name?
My name is Zulkarnain and the key topics involved in this presentation are bloodborne virus, carbon monoxide, bacteria.
A,
and
B,
virus.
C, D. First of all, A.
A is bloodborne virus,
Hmm.
B is carbon monoxide, C is
Hmm.
bacteria and D is virus.
Yani A, B, C, D. These are different kind of viruses, okay, which can go inside, travel to the another body from one body to another. Okay.
The first bloodborne virus, which is abbreviated as BBVs, bloodborne virus are transmitted through bloods, other body fluids. Common BBVs are hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and HIV.
Good.
People which can be affected are especially healthcare workers, doctors and nurses,
Good.
firefighters, waste disposal workers.
Good.
The virus can survive outside the body for a long period. Symptoms of the disease are liver damage and jaundice, which is
Jaundice.
yellowishing
Yeah,
of
listen,
eyes.
yes, very good. Our body.
Bloodborne virus can spread through needle stick injuries, contact with broken ice, splash to eyes and mouth, and can be prevented by using PPEs, gloves, eye protection, correct disposal of clinical waste, vaccination where appropriate, following procedure to deal with exposure. And the second topic is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is odorless, colorless gas. Odorless means it has no smell,
Yes.
which is produced by incomplete combustion.
For example, carbon monoxide is present in an area, you cannot smell it. You cannot feel it that carbon monoxide gas is there because it is odorless and colorless. Good.
It is produced
Instead
by
of like H2S. H2S has odor. What kind of odor? Anyone know about it?
What, sir?
What is the smell of the H2S?
So it's like rotten egg.
Very good. It's like rotten eggs. When the H2S is there, so you can smell it, like the rotten egg smell is there. But when it is in a high concentration, and you smell first time, the next time it will diffuse your senses. So H2S will be present over there, but you will not smell it again. So this is also a high risk of the H2S.
It is produced by incomplete combustion,
Good,
poorly maintained boilers,
good,
and vehicle exhaust.
good,
It is very dangerous and difficult to detect
good.
because of no smell.
No smell or color. Yes.
Health effects of carbon monoxide are CO binds with
With hemoglobin. With the hemoglobin in blood.
hemoglobin in blood.
Okay,
Interferes with oxygen transport.
good.
The level, if the level of CO is 0.005%, can
Can
cause
worsening headache. Consider the percentage. Now see. Level of carbon monoxide 1.3% only will cause
will cause unconsciousness and death
in 3 minutes. So very small amount of carbon monoxide can kill people also.
The control measures include maintenance and testing of boilers, adequate ventilation, local exhaust ventilation, which is called LEV, CO alarms, confined space entry, and restricting competent workers to work on gas system. And the third topic is bacteria versus virus. The bacteria can live independently in air, water, air, soil, and human body. While virus is a non-living cell that
Good.
cannot live independently without a host.
This is the difference between virus and bacteria. He is explaining the difference between of these two.
And the bacteria, some bacteria are useful, but some are harmful.
Very good.
While
Where is good bacteria found in our body?
if I'm talking about according to the food, we made curd, yogurt from milk to convert the yogurt. That is very useful for
Yes,
our
in our human
guts,
body.
our guts and our stomach.
Yes. Mostly, the good bacteria is present over there. So you have to be good immune system to kill the bacteria of outside which attack you. Yes.
And virus can infect human and animal cells. Bacteria are spread by contaminated by food and water and poor hygiene.
First of all, read out the bacteria.
Bacteria are spread by contaminated food and water and poor hygiene. The effective workers for bacteria are food handlers and sewage workers.
Good.
The example of bacteria are tuberculosis,
Tuberculosis,
tuberculosis
which is called TB in Pakistan. Tuberculosis,
and salmonella.
salmonella, like legionnaire, leptospira. These are all different kind of bacteria.
Virus is a non-living cell that cannot live.
Bacteria having cellular cell organism, but virus don't have any kind of cell. This is the main difference. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now explain.
It infects human and animal cells.
Yes.
Viruses are spread by blood and body fluids and needle stick injuries.
Good.
The effective workers for virus are healthcare workers and emergency workers. The example of viruses are HIV, hepatitis B and C.
Good. Thank you.
And
You got the idea on the different topic? Bloodborne viruses, carbon monoxide, okay, and the difference between the virus and bacteria. Next slide. Next.